Hi, I'm Jo Weldon. Welcome to my chair dance program. I'm really excited to bring you this program. Chair dancing is one of my favorite classes to teach, and there's so many cute and sexy moves. A lot of these moves are based on Bob Fosse moves because he made the chair dance famous in the movie Cabaret with Liza Minnelli doing mine hair. And I think you'll recognize a few moves. But we have a lot of what makes burlesque burlesque, so we also have some bumps and grinds and hip hops and things that you'll love learning. This is designed for basic and beginner performers, and if it's something that you want to do for a partner, it's perfect for that as well. So we have a great warm-up which breaks down and teaches the moves. We have a slow chair dance, and then we have a slightly faster chair dance with a lot of bopping in it, and you'll love the bop moves. It's all about the rhythm. Then we have a little section on peeling while chair dancing. We'll remove gloves and stockings, and you can peel along with us. So I've been teaching chair dancing at the New York School of Burlesque for 10 years now, and I know that you'll enjoy it as much as I do. This is perfect for anyone who's curious about chair dancing or curious about burlesque chair dancing in particular.